The Keychron Q1 Pro is a top-tier wireless mechanical keyboard that sets a high bar for performance and durability. It's made from CNC milled aluminum, which gives it a premium, solid feel that's built to last. Not only does this construction make the Q1 Pro durable enough to withstand years of use, but it also gives the keyboard a hefty, premium weight that feels substantial when you're typing. The quality of the build is evident from the moment you lay your hands on it, and the robust materials make it a contender for those who value both function and form. One of the key selling points of the Q1 Pro is its typing experience. The keyboard features extra durable TK keycaps and smooth-acting switches that contribute to a satisfying and comfortable typing feel. Whether you're typing for work, writing creatively, or simply responding to messages, the Q1 Pro's tactile feedback enhances your productivity and enjoyment. For enthusiasts who seek a custom feel without the hassle of building the keyboard themselves, the Q1 Pro delivers luxury at your fingertips. For those concerned about wireless functionality, the Q1 Pro comes equipped with a 4,000 mAh battery that offers up to 100 hours of use with the backlighting on low. If you turn off the backlighting, that number extends even further, making it perfect for long work sessions. The keyboard connects via Bluetooth 5.1. ensuring a fast and stable connection. While it may not be the fastest response time for competitive gaming, it excels in tasks related to productivity, creativity, and everyday typing. In terms of overall value, the Q1 Pro is a fantastic choice for those who need a reliable, stylish, and wireless mechanical keyboard that can handle long typing sessions. It may not be the best for pro gamers who need the ultimate in responsiveness, but for the everyday user who values a smooth, tactile experience, the Q1 Pro is hard to beat. If you're looking to elevate your computing setup with a solid, high-quality mechanical keyboard, the Keychron Q1 Pro is one of the best options available.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.